Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox not launching problem. First of all, you have to uninstall the Roblox application. For that, search add or remove programs in the Windows search bar available at the bottom. Click on it to open it. Here search for Roblox. Click on the Roblox player, then click on uninstall. After that, again click on uninstall. The Roblox player will start uninstalling from your PC. After the loading completes, close this window and search run in the Windows search bar at the bottom. Press the enter key. Now search app data here. Then click on OK. Now click on the local folder. Next select the Roblox folder and delete it. After deleting it, close this window. Now you have to reinstall the Roblox application. For that, open any browser and type download Roblox in the search bar. Click on the link download Roblox. Next click on download Windows app. It will download. Then click on the downloaded file. The Roblox will start installing. After the installation completes, Roblox will open. The Roblox not launching problem will be solved and you will be able to use the app. But if you still face the issue, then it might be a case that there's some issue with the Roblox server which lasts temporarily. To figure it out, open any browser and search status roblox.com. Here you will see the updates that if all systems are operational or is there any problem from the Roblox team or server. And this is how you can fix Roblox not launching problem.